Hey guys, how are you? It's your boy K2 and I am back with another C-drama video, and in this video I'm going to talk about the C-drama Skate Into Love starring Steven Zhang and Janice Wu. I'm pretty sure that this drama is one of your favorite C-dramas of all time and most of you guys have already watched this drama. But if you're not, I'm gonna give you 4 reasons to watch this beautiful masterpiece, and if you have watched this drama already, you could just watch this video as my review on Skate Into Love. So without wasting any more time, let's get started! Skate Into Love is a sports romance drama that follows the story of a speed skater named Tang Soo, played by Janice Wu, and an ice hockey player named Liu Bing, played by Steven Zhang. During elementary school, Liu Bing was a cowardly and timid boy just like me who was often bullied by his deskmate Tang Soo. Despite their relationship, they both shared the dream of having a sports career on the ice, and then their two crosses paths again in the university. Liu Bing is now the school's star hockey player while Tang Soo has given up her dream as a speed skater. Liu Bing pulls some strings in order to have Tang Soo become his assistant with the intention of getting revenge, of course. But as they spend more time together, Liu Bing notices Tang Soo's great quality and realizes his courage in the ice rink has always been influenced by Tang Soo. In return, Liu Bing encourages Tang Soo to rediscover her dreams and start speed skating again. Skate Into Love is an uplifting drama as it depicts the struggle of professional athletes. Throughout the drama, we see Tang Soo and Liu Bing faces many roadblocks and crosswords in their sports career, from disapproving parents, competitions, and to love rivals. They learn to overcome their obstacles, showing that you must not give up and that you should also be grateful for their being able to do that what you love. If that isn't enough for you to want to check out Skate Into Love, then I'm gonna give you 4 reasons to watch this beautiful drama. Number 1. Bold and outspoken female lead. Tang Soo is outspoken, brave, righteous, loyal, passionate, and has a kind heart. Although she can be a bossy and a bit overbearing, it all comes from a good place. She is the kind of person who always steps in to help others, especially if they are being bullied. It is also admirable how Tang Soo never changes to become someone she is not. She always keeps it real. So it's not surprising that she has a group of loyal friends but 3 guys who all have a secret crush on her. Skating has always been Tang Soo's passion since a young age, and she even trains for 8 years in competitive speed skating with the potential to join the national team. However, due to a horrific injury and disapproval from her family, she is forced to quit. Later on, she receives a chance to try out for the speed skating team in university. Tang Soo has many disadvantages starting over with her age and time stacked against her. However, she overcomes the 2-year gap and the challenges of restarting as a rookie by the relentlessly training until she proves that she is good enough to be a part of the team. Her passion and love for ice skating is incredibly moving and inspiring, and it truly motivates some people around her and us as a viewers. Wu Xian, aka Janice Wu, who plays Tang Soo, has always been a fan favorite amongst drama fans, and her performance in Skate Into Love is no exception. Janice Wu perfectly portrays the undying determination and perseverance of Tang Soo when it comes to her skating dreams. She does an excellent job in playing a refreshing and rare female character who is powerful, outspoken, warm-hearted, and just a total badass. Number 2. Sweet and cool male lead. Our main lead, Liu Bing, is known as the Ice God of Licheng University, the star ice hockey player of the campus. Just like Tang Soo, Liu Bing is also a great role model. He is fiercely passionate about hockey, and he is also loyal, dedicated, and a team player who never lets his teammates down. He wasn't always cool and confident star hockey player, but in fact, he was small, timid, and shy as a child. Liu Bing is also one of Tang Soo's biggest supporters. Viewers and I also love how quickly Liu Bing gets over the misunderstandings he had with Tang Soo during their childhood. He sees the amazing qualities of Tang Soo that he previously missed out on, and he completely falls head over heels for her. It's so sweet when he realizes how much of an impact she had on his entire life, his passion for hockey, and how his courage and fearlessness stems from his time with her during their childhood. Thanks to her intervention and continuous support, Tang Soo builds up her confidence and regenerates her passion for skating. Besides obtaining a chance for Tang Soo to try out for the speed skating team, Liu Bing also secretly helps to pay for Tang Soo's training even though he doesn't have a lot of money himself. He is truly boyfriend goals. There is no doubt that Steven Zhang is everyone's new crush with his great portrayal as the heartthrob Liu Bing. His range of expressions from the cool and determined ice god in the hockey rink to the adorable sweet Bing around Tang Xiu is absolutely swoon-worthy. Number 3. Supportive and inspiring couple. Our OTP's relationship, which transitions from childhood, friends or say frenemies to lovers, is so sweet and natural. Their love of ice sports definitely helps them bond and pushes them to be together. They also support each other through their career highs and lows. The best part is how they inspire and encourage each other to achieve their dreams. Liu Bing helps pushes Tang Xiu back into speed skating, and he is there during every step of the way of her difficult journey. Later on, Liu Bing also suffers a major injury, putting a halt in his professional hockey career. It's a devastating blow to Liu Bing and spirals him into depression. But Tang Xiu stays by his side, encouraging him and helping him to not give up on himself. Their relationship is great because Liu Bing and Tang Xiu understand how much their dreams mean to each other. I love that they are both very independent individuals and they choose not to be defined only by their relationship. Their determination toward their dreams is truly inspirational. Although dating is frowned upon for athletes as it affects their training, this OTP never lets the relationship affect their performance. You see them grow, change and improve throughout their journey. You can sense their fear, worry, excitement at every game or competition. When they achieve their goals, it makes you feel a sense of happiness and excitement. It's also interesting to note that Liu Bing's and Tang Xiu's names are directly related to their passion. Bing means ice and Xiu means snow. How cute, right? Steven Zhang and Janice Wu, who plays our OTP, also have an undeniably sparkling and natural chemistry. They look at each other with so much love, respect and admiration. They perfectly portray the kind of romantic relationship that inspires you to be a better version of yourself. The chemistry feels so genuine and effortless that even the director of the Skate Into Love, Zui Rubin, revealed in an interview that he knew they were just perfect for together from the moment he saw them. Number 4. Many important life lessons. While the drama is advertised as a sports romance drama, the overall theme is about finding happiness and doing what you love. It can be summed up by this quote: if you are feeling confused about the road ahead, ask yourself what is the thing you truly love and dream about. Dreams don't shine, but it's the people who chase after their dreams who shine brightly. Skate Into Love touches upon what people value, whether it is happiness, money or status. In the highly competitive world of sports, not every can be a champion and stand out on the podium. The drama teaches you the journey is what matters the most and that the feeling of happiness you get while fighting for your dreams is the most meaningful. Comparing yourself to others and their achievements is not worth it, and instead you should live by following your own paths. The drama also highlights the importance of the athlete's mental health. Whether it is injuries or a slump period, athletes often experience frustrations, pain, confusion, failure, etc. etc. Learning to overcome these obstacles provides a great sense of achievement, and it also shines on the importance of having a great support group of friends, family and mentors to give extra encouragement during their tough times. Overall, Skate Into Love is a heartwarming and feel-good drama with a sweet romance story. It focuses on ice sport athletes, showcasing their sacrifices, character development and evolving relationships, making it a must-watch. So if you have watched the video till here, I'm so thankful for you guys. Just give a thumbs up to the video and just don't forget to subscribe to Drama YT. And yet you haven't followed me on the Instagram handle, which is also right in front of you. It's called dramayt.k2. Follow me there as well. I will see you later. As always, your K2 love, peace and hugs. It's been a pleasure.
कभी आते जाते रास्ते में, कभी स्कूल के बस्ते में